woman go sleep for where you dance. I beg. Anybody where don't say get this kind of boss. I got something they pay.
Hello people, how na day? Also na day fine my people. You get this video where it be say they fly they go. Okay, mama O.K.H. Azugbene. I dey see many comments. I dey see many things they like. My people, oh my God. Me I no understand though. I go watch the video where it be say mama O.K.H. do. So na no say we dey for about issue, so all those things we just dey like, you know, and that side let me just dey watch. So I can't dey see this video where be say mama O.K.H. do. She can't dey talk about the driver where be one call carry and go party. Say the driver not quick come, you know, she call another one, so that one even say if he can't dey like you know, make they not come cancel the party where be say she want go dance. So now there me I wash and reach, okay? Me I wash and reach there. So when I come they see what he come they go on for social media, they come they say, Mama, okay, your pikin there for UK, this one, the other one. I can't they fly up and down if you want to help. I can say she thought say she need help for the video. I can't go rewatch that video. My people, after I don't watch the video, this the happen on social media. I watch the video. I don't see where she for make sure say she need help. Okay? I don't see where she thought say she need help. Mona come help me or one buy boss. So she talk am for there say anybody wey be say get this kind boss come video, come the video and make una tell her she go pay, she go dey suffer dey pay put. So why social media people come carry am like say another thing, they come dey insult the woman, say pikin dey for the pikin dey for abroad, your pikin dey for UK, why you cannot help your mother, this one that one. May I tell una one thing, maybe he with the pikin don first discuss and say mama ije egume di motor no, he go say no ukpema e motor aria ibe do azigojo. He go say she prefer to just to rent. How much you want to carry am? You carry am go there, I give you your money, our business don't finish. Una think say to get car for that country easy? When I go ask people where be say they use car till they do business, they go tell una say they no even they get the money. Today you go spend 200,000 for car. You go carry somebody go meeting. Before the car come, it go spoil. So me I believe say maybe because why you pikin no go fit buy, but it be car. Even though you feel the pay small, it's still there. So the way the something come they like, come they run up and down. If you want to help. If you want to do this one, people come they even they insult the woman. Make una they watch video. Now make me I still go rewatch her again. Say make I see whether now she come they ask for beg. Say Wahala wadi moto me. She no even ask for anything like beg. Anybody wey get car like this, make una tell me, I go buy, I go suffer the pay small. The thing don't too much. You know say sometimes, even you say where be say you there abroad, you know even want make you buy car if you go Niger. You prefer to rent. If you drive yourself finish, you drop am, you come out. Because why? That's your own car. Hey, we know as the road be. We know as everything be. You go use car today, next tomorrow, it go dey grand. Because of the road way not good. So all these things where be say they come they insult the woman. Is it really called for? The answer is no. So they get the money. It's just that they don't want buy because maybe they don't go they spend money upon money. Everybody know as car be. Road where be say there for here, not be there for Niger. Where be say your car go from here, walk, go there before you know the engine don't knock or the leg don't turn to like this. Before you know or something don't even you understand. It will come be like say the money where you take buy it just like something where they throw away. So one and they insult the poor woman. Make una go watch her video. She not ask for. Maybe people where you see and I just want maybe they even do that one say let us donate for her. She not ask for. She not ask for. If they say make they do donation, if maybe she come and say make una donate for me, that one they different. If you like, you donate. You see person like me, I will never tell somebody not to donate for people. Because me, I don't know tomorrow if I come as I can say I need help. They'll say, hey, you say me they not donate for people that day. You understand? So all these things where be our people they do not good. Why not they insult the woman? Why? EJ like that. Maybe pikin don't even tell and say, Mama, sit down for us. He go say, no, you see this dance where they dance, so this thing where they do, so they give me joy. They give me joy, me and they do one. Because all this our EJ way be safe, they get people, children for abroad. Not be say their children no they help them, or their children not get money to say, Mama, sit down for us, I go they pay you. They want me then they do that thing. If they give her joy, they give her, if they make her young. Because if you there for his house, a thickness or boviere, so then make them they do all these things. So Mona stop to the insult her. If somebody bring accounts, come say, Mona donate. Who want donate? Fee give. Who no want? Make it come out. And the woman, she not even ask for. If she ask for, she get people where they follow her. People where they follow her, where be say they want, make them still give. They feel still give. They not they look and say, your pikin, they abroad. Make your pikin go give you. Now everybody where they abroad, they abroad. Eh? Not be everybody. Eh? You understand? So the woman not ask for. Mona start to the insult her. I use God say beg una. What if that woman don't pass through? Why they make here now? If the woman ask for now, good and fine. When I feel when they say, how much you can't get, maybe we can't add join her. Not be person they back a build house, you go just give somebody. Even though say pikin they okay. All the journey, you don't know whether that one will be happiness. So Mona no dey insult the woman. For a video, Mona sit down watch. Or man when we do donate in here. Anybody wey get car like this, I go buy, I go self-free they pay. That one not be donation. Eh? So me I put her video, make una listen. Where she for talk and say she go buy. She not talk say come and donate. This morning, they not they sleep they see am for abroad though. Make we talk that one. But some people still dey wey be say they for this abroad. Every month, they dash, they give and joy. Person like me, I know if you go stop that person, say you dey craze, why you not do this one? Why? No. Now wait till they give her joy. What be waiting they give you joy, they give me joy. Not be waiting they give the other one, they give the other one. Why is here born? It reach to born now. Eh? Ha. Me I put the video now, bye.
The driver when they carry me go dance. He not tell me say motor not good. Now this morning. Around 10, now he call tell me say the motor not good. As he can't tell me say motor not good now, I can't run, can't go find another motor. Before I can't see another motor, time don't they go. The second motor where I see, I said don't quick I carry person. Say one go drop person for dance, make on carry me. I can't wait. And the motor they come for road now, the motor costs this spoil. It costs this spoil for road. Now I call the find motor since morning. I don't see. Now I can't see motor where they carry me go. That's where they go. That's where I suppose reach by 10 o'clock. Tomorrow now, this I go another dance. I not go another dance. So now they see motor see. Now they see motor. I never reach dance by this time. Never reach dance where they go. If you carry a bus, say me the can carry you go dance. Say me the can carry you go dance. They'll fair go carry that dance. Carry that person go dance. You go there wait. They'll fair carry a person go dance. They don't go toss it the guy another dance. They don't go toss it the guy another dance. They'll fair carry another dance go. Before they can carry you. When you go close for that dance, you go first you go carry sometimes some boss they carry to the show, for show. Before they can carry you, maybe midnight. Sometimes your instrument go sleep for where you dance. I beg. Anybody where don't say get this kind of boss. I go suffer they pay. If they don't to suffer me. Now this kind of boss now they find. See ya. I'll suffer they pay. If I not fit pay I want I'll suffer they pay. Ojabugbe. Wagwaye wamakope. Why? A very cool. Begging ya. Begging they wanna go wama but begging they wanna go wama wanna go na. But begging they wanna go wama Nah, I think I get instrument. You ain't going to have instrument. Gradually, I'll still buy motor one day. I'll still buy motor one day. If I see this kind of fault, I go suffer the pay. I go suffer the pay. The suffer is too much. Ojabugbe. You guys see, come here, Nani. I'm not yaku. Odo arovye me. Odo atalo. Mama mloka sedo marere. Mama mloka sedo marere. Ime moto. Ya miegbana ife kwa hasa. Ya fe kwa hasa. Kere no. Kere.